In this video, I'm going to share with you 3 things that I think you shouldn't live without in your new kitchen. You're not going to want to miss this one. I'm Mary Regan, kitchen designer at Wayside Kitchens, and we are your source for beautiful kitchens. And this channel is all about kitchen design and kitchen renovations. Let's dive into the video. Number 1 on my list, a decorative hood over your range or cooktop. If you're going through a kitchen remodel and want to elevate your kitchen and give it a custom look, a decorative hood made out of the same materials as your kitchen cabinets will do just that. The hood will be excellent for preserving the air quality and keeping grease and grime off your kitchen cabinets. A decorative hood can match the cabinetry or make a statement with an accent color. Add a custom backsplash under the decorative hood and you have an amazing look to your kitchen and a true focal point. Number 2 on my list, a microwave drawer. A microwave drawer or speed oven is a must-have appliance if you have to have a microwave in your kitchen. The convenience of having a microwave installed in the base cabinet area is great for families with young children and people who want to stay in place longer. The microwave drawer frees up counter space as we don't have to keep that large appliance on the countertop. A microwave drawer is awesome for its versatility. Number 3 on my list, a trash/recycling cabinet. I can't recommend this cabinet enough to my clients. Having 2 trash bins in the kitchen is fantastic. One for trash and one for recyclables. If budget and space allows it, I recommend installing 2 of these cabinets as it gives my clients the ability to separate the recyclables and get them off the counters. And there you have it. That was a quick review of 3 of my favorite features that I think are must-haves for anyone doing a kitchen renovation. I just wanted to make a quick, short video about my favorite features in kitchens. I have plenty of others, and I'll be sharing those in coming videos. And also, you may want to check out this other video because I give you tips if you're thinking of remodeling your kitchen sometime soon. I am also planning to do a live stream weekly, and if you like what I do, come back and watch as I am challenging myself to post a live stream every week. Thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I'll see you again next time in the next video. Bye-bye for now. Bye. And I always do one of these for my closings, my little dance. Dun, dun, dun. I am the happy kitchen lady, your kitchen revitalizer. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. A happy remodeler. Mm-hmm. I need a tagline. Get me one. I'm thinking kitchen revitalizer, kitchen magic, kitchen magician, kitchen guru. Ooh, I like kitchen guru. You tell me which one you like.
There's a place I have found in the shade on the ground.